Hello and welcome. Now in this video we're going to be talking about the first step in your doing email marketing or list building. Now you've probably received an email from time to time from other marketers and other entrepreneurs, and those emails come in a form that looks like this. When you see the email, it'll look something like this, and if you scroll down at the bottom, you'll notice that you can either unsubscribe or change your contact details. These are emails that are being sent by an autoresponder company, and what these autoresponder companies do is they allow you to send email without fear of anyone ever accusing you of being a spammer, because in order to send an email from an autoresponder company, you have to get permission from the receiver. And that is why autoresponder companies are important for you to use in terms of being able to market your business. One of the things that you don't want to do is to start emailing your customers or emailing prospects through email, because first of all, again, it would be difficult to prove that that person gave you permission, and this will actually, this email, if I send it from this address, would probably end up in a spam folder. And you want your customers to be able to get your emails so that they can see what it is that you have to offer. It's for that reason that you're going to want to get your own autoresponder account so that you can send emails just like this. Now, while there are several companies that marketers use, there are three primary accounts or primary companies that most internet marketers use in order to do email marketing. One is called Mailchimp. You want to be aware with Mailchimp that even though it's free to start, they are not big fans of affiliate marketing. And there are times when if you use Mailchimp, you could run afoul of their terms of service. One marketing company or one autoresponder company that's friendly to internet marketers is GetResponse, and you'll actually see a number of large-scale marketers using GetResponse. It's a great company to use in order for you to use their tools to send in emails to your customers and prospects, and it'll have everything that we need that we're going to be talking about in this course. Another company is Aweber. They're also friendly to internet marketers and understand how you do business, as well as the features that you need in order to start and run your online business. So in order to get started, one of the things that you'll need to do is you'll probably need to pick a company. And again, either one of these companies are going to be good. Again, if you choose to use Mailchimp, remember that even though it's free and even though it's free to get started, there are going to be some times when you may be restricted in terms of the things that you want to do in your internet marketing business. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.